Hello students, welcome to channel Maths Mint by Kamlesh. It is a question for class 11 Maths miscellaneous exercise on chapter 3 question number 9 from NCERT book. Chapter is trigonometric functions. Question 9 is find sin x by 2, cos x by 2 and tan x by 2 if cos x equal to minus 1 by 3 and x in quadrant 3. Right? So first of all we see the position of x. This is the quadrant, this is first quadrant, this one is second, this is third one, and this is fourth, right? And this starts from 0, it is 90 degree, it is 180 degree, it is 270 degree, and again it is 360 degree, right? You might be knowing from the starting of this chapter, right? And now by question, x is lying in quadrant 3. So we should find the first position of x by 2. We shall write x is in quadrant 3. So quadrant 3. So x is greater than 180 degree but smaller than 270 degree, right? So 180 degree is smaller than x and x is smaller than 270 degree, right? On division by 2, it will be 90 degree, it will be x by 2 and it will be 135 degree. So x will lie between 90 degree and 135 degree. So this is 90 degree and 180 degree. So only in second quadrant x by 2 will lie. So we shall write here, hence x by 2 will lie in quadrant 2. Here it will be x by 2. And in quadrant 2, only sine will be positive and cos and tan will be negative. So, sine x by 2 will be positive and cos x by 2 and tan x by 2 will be negative, because in first quadrant all trigonometric functions are positive, in second quadrant sine and cosec are positive, in third quadrant cot and tan are positive, in fourth quadrant cos and cosec are positive, right? Now we have to find the value of sine x by 2. By formula cos 2x we can find the value of sine x. Since we know that since cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x, so if we shall divide x both sides, it will be cos x will be 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2 divided by 2x by 2, it will be x, and x divided by 2 will be x by 2, and cos x is given minus 1 by 3. So we shall put minus 1 by 3 at the place of cos x, and it will be 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2. So this we shall put this side, so this is minus, it will be plus 2 sine square x by 2 equal to 1, and this minus 1 by 3 will be positive here, 1 by 3. 2 sine square x by 2 will be 3 as LCM, 3 will be here, 1 will be here. So 2 sine square x by 2 will be 4 by 3. By 2 we shall cancel both sides, it will be 2, it will be sine square x by 2. So sine square x by 2 will be 2 by 3, and sine x by 2 will be plus minus root over 2 by 3. As we know, since sine x by 2 is in second quadrant, so it will be positive, right? So sine x by 2 will be root 2 by root 3. So in denominator, root should not be there, so we shall rationalize it. So sine x by 2 will be root 2 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Sine x by 2 will be root 6, root 2 into root 6 by root 3 into root 3 will be 3. So this is our first value, right? It is our first value, and this sine square x by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. We shall take it as equation 1, right? Now sine x by 2 we have found. Now we know that since sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sine square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 will be 1. So cos square x by 2 will be 1 minus sine square x by 2. So cos square x by 2 will be 1 minus sine square x by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 by equation 1, right? So cos square x by 2 will be equal to 3 will be LCM, 3 will be here, 2 will be here, right? So cos square x by 2 will be 1 by 3, and cos x by 2 will be plus minus root 1 by 3. As cos x by 2 is in second quadrant, since cos x by 2 is in second quadrant, so it will be negative, right? So it will be negative. So cos x by 2 will be root 1 will be 1 and root 3, and so this will be rationalized. Denominator should not be in root. Cos x by 2 will be 1 by root 3 will be negative, so negative sign I shall this. Cos x by 2 is in second quadrant, so it will be negative, so minus 1 by root 3 we have given here into root 3 by root 3. So it will be cos x by 2 will be minus root 3 by 3, minus root 3 by 3. So this is our second answer. And now tan x by 2 equal to sine x by 2 by cos x by 2. Sine x by 2 equal to root 6 by 3, root 6 by 3 by cos x by 2 minus root 3 by 3. So it will be root 6 we can write root 2 into root 3, okay, by 3, and this will reverse, so it will be 3 minus root 3. This 3 will be cancelled. This root 3 and root 3 minus is here, so minus 1 will be here, so it will be minus root 2. So tan x by 2 will be minus root 2. Hence sin x by 2 will be equal to root 6 by 3 cos x by 2 will be minus root 3 by 3 tan x by 2 will be equal to minus root 2. Right? This is our answer. Question is somehow lengthy and some technique is also there to be applied at place by place. So if you are not satisfied by seeing at one time, you may see it 2 or 3 times. If it is useful for you, please like, share and subscribe and support the channel. If you have any difficulty or doubt, please write in comment box. I will answer it. Thanks.